In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently export audio using Clipchamp. Clipchamp is a powerful, user-friendly tool for anyone looking to edit videos with ease. But today, we're specifically focusing on how to extract audio from your video projects within the platform. This process is particularly useful if you're looking to separate audio for podcasts, voiceovers, background scores, or any other creative project you might be working on. First, let's navigate over to Clipchamp. If you're already familiar with Clipchamp and have it bookmarked, great. If not, simply open your preferred web browser and search for Clipchamp. Once you've arrived at the Clipchamp homepage, make sure you're logged into your account. If this is your first time, go ahead and create an account or log in with an existing one using your chosen credentials. After logging in or signing up, you will be greeted by the main dashboard. This is your starting point for creating and managing all your video projects. Now let's head over to your media library. This is where all your uploaded media files are stored, and it serves as the workspace for editing and managing your projects. If you haven't uploaded your video file yet, go ahead and do so by selecting Add Media and choosing the file you'd like to work with from your computer. Once your media is uploaded to Clipchamp, click on the specific project that contains the video from which you want to extract audio. This will open up the video in the editor. With your project open, take a moment to ensure everything looks good and is in order. Review your timeline and make any necessary adjustments to your video file, as the audio you export will reflect exactly what's set within this edited timeline. If everything seems set and ready, let's move forward. Next, you'll want to look for an option labeled Export within the interface. This is usually located at the top right corner of the screen. Click Export and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. Since our goal is to extract audio only, select the Audio Only option from the list. This option will strip the audio track from your video file and prepare it for download as a separate file. Finally, once you've selected Audio Only, Clipchamp will process your request. Generally, this processing won't take very long, but the duration can vary depending on the length and complexity of your video file. Once the processing is complete, a download link will appear, allowing you to easily and conveniently download the extracted audio file to your device. And there you have it. Your audio file is now ready to use for your next project, whether it's a podcast, an audiobook, or any other creative endeavor you've got lined up. Thank you for following along with this guide. I hope this has demystified the process of extracting audio using Clipchamp, and you're now ready to bring your audio-focused projects to life with ease. Happy editing!